So welcome back again to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to get this effect on a video as one clip transitions into another clip. So let's begin by going to Olive 0.1, and here I have already placed two video clips on the timeline. So to begin with, let's move the marker to the center of the two video clip and move back 8 frames. So putting the marker right in the middle of the two clip, come up here to this back arrow here and back 8 frames. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Remember, we have to go close to the end so it can have this nice effect. As you can see, instead of if we move somewhere here, the effect will be slow. So in here, go to the effect tool here and add distort and fisheye. As you can see the effect of the fisheye on the video clip, but we don't want it to have it on the whole clip. So let's go to the effect properties here. In the size, change this to 0. Now we want to keyframe this. So again, in the fisheye size, keyframe that. Make sure also to go up to the scale here and keyframe it. Now move to the middle of the two clip, back 1 frame, and change the size of the fisheye to 150. And also in the size, change the size to 150 under the transform. Now selecting the next clip, go to the scale, keyframe that, and change the value to 150. Move in 5 frames. So in here, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and change the value back to 100. Now it is nice when you put a sound effect to it. So here I've already got a nice sound effect here. So let's place it in here and make sure to select the first clip and see where the marker, first keyframe, and move the sound effect to there, and you can see how it have this nice pop sound. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you have learned something on how to create this effect in Olive 0.1. And thank you very much for passing by. Thank you for stopping by. See you all again in the next one.